Lifelong presents you safety and security with the help of our electronic home safe that comes with an LED light and motorized locking mechanism. You can use it at home and at the office. Insert the emergency key and rotate it while simultaneously turning the knob clockwise until the door opens. Then insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment. To set the user code, press the reset button. Input a new code and press hash to confirm. If you hear 2 beeps, the code has been set. If yellow light flashes 3 times and beeps, the registration has failed. To set the master code, press 0 twice. Input a new code and press hash to confirm. The yellow light should flash and beep twice. If the yellow light flashes and beeps twice, registration has failed. When mounting the safe, ensure to choose a stable, dry, supporting and secure surface. If you enter codes continuously wrong 3 times, the safe will auto-lock for 20 seconds. To troubleshoot, use the master password to open the home safe or the emergency key. You can call customer care if you have lost your emergency key and don't remember the password. Lifelong home safe. Make safety your first priority.